Don't.
Okay,
don't
everyone get up. Everyone get up. Use the thingies and get up on the pad. Get up on the big landing pad.
The thingies.
We're spawn camping them on the landing pad.
Oof. Get on the.
I'm going to flip. I'm
man.
going to flip. I'm going to flip A. Imagine if we actually manage to take this.
Yeah, 6-man Howling Pass cap. Let's go.
You got an incoming light.
I'll go bolter.
Spotted.
Left side.
Oh,
There's
let's also
only camp.
going for B.
Yeah, he's on the
Light
tower.
assault on east tower.
There is one on A.
He's going.
Watch out, snipers on spawn.
Yeah.
Spawn point.
I'll go and
Here we
bolt
go.
the sniper.
No life.exe started.
Yep. Oh, they're killing me.
Stop dying.
Just
I'm
don't
coming.
stand so close.
Yeah, what the
Well,
fuck,
there was
mate?
a heavy that shot me. Asman, where is he?
That's a cloak I have.
Oh,
here.
he's on top level.
Oh, he's on top, yeah. Thought everyone knew.
He took jump pad, heading southeast.
Yeah, I'm going.
I couldn't spot him.
I'm going for B to defend it.
Sniper watching east side.
But be careful.
hate you.
You're so funny.
I hate you. He's on B. I was careful enough.
Where
I
is
got
the
him.
sniper? I can't see him.
Oh, there was another one on B, and he got. There was an infiltrator too, and he got me.
They pulled a max. Oh my god, how bad.
Bring
Did
out
they-
the decimators.
Did they seriously?
Yeah, they pulled a max for 6 people. And oh, here comes a redeploy brigade. Wait! Shoot the mine onto them. They have a mine right next to them.
Oh no.
B.
Right side.
Hold them there. I'm taking B.
Oh,
I'm throwing resonate,
they spawned
just
so
in case.
He's charging you with the max.
I'll drop in the
We have an
Yes.
infiltrator on
Okay,
your
for
left,
you.
mate. Oh shit. They came
Jump on
from
the
above.
beacon. Are you still alive?
No.
Nah,
No.
we're all dead.
I'm sitting on B.
We're a big
Nah,
wiped.
let's wipe. Let's pull out.
I mean,
Or do you
look
keep
at
going?
the
Fuck
population.
it, let's keep going. Fuck it, let's keep going.
Holy fuck is this
I'm
That's
wrong?
how embarrassing they are.
I've placed another one downstairs. I'm defending the beacon.
I got one.
How do they not? They still not have a point. Oh my god,
Look at this population.
dude. How?
I'm with you, assassin. I'm
We
with
might just cap this. Oh my god,
Down.
magic.
No, we lost the
you.
beacon.
I don't need, but maybe.
And we're losing B. We can do this.
Oh my
I'm
god,
gonna go
maxes,
back.
really?
And another max.
Snipers, lashers, diamond, fucking
Overpop.
maxes.
Max, he's hurt. The Max is hurt. I'm reloading.
Max D.
Max down. I'm going for B.
We still need the beacon.
I died.
killed by snipers.
I suicided.
Asman, are you able to give us a spawn?
No, he's in cooldown.
Oh, I see.
We're done. We put 12-20
Ah!
or there was 73% Vanu population.
Oh my god.